I think your survey has effectively captured the mood of the nation. There's no doubt that the feeling today is the Congress-led UP is out of power, and the mood probably is moving towards in favor of the NDA, and that's exactly what your survey has captured. It makes me feel proud that a member of our party, a very successful chief minister, 3 times elected in Gujarat, is perceived as the most capable among the names that you have post your survey answering public. Of course, it's a question of how the party is going to view this whole thing. I'm sure all of us are happy about it, but the decision about who the next Prime Minister is, of course, something which I cannot answer now. It has to be taken by the Parliamentary Board. But it is certainly indicative that the public, whether in cities or in rural, because I did go through the data that you're showing now, whether it is in the urban centers or rural areas or different zones that you're talking about, have almost clearly indicated that the candidate from the BJP, in this case you have uttered the name of Shri Narendra Modi as the preferred choice, and the public see him as most capable to occupy that position. But at the same time, I also found that there is not much of a clear emergence of anybody when you're talking about a third front. And therefore, if our alliance partner Shri Nitish Kumar is perceived as one of the leaders, it's good. It's very clear that one thing is very certain, that Congress is not seen as an option, and the candidature from Congress is also not viewed as the most effective potential Prime Minister. The kind of feedback we get from the grassroots, absolutely consistent with the kind of inputs our state parties give us, that the 2 dominant issues of any forthcoming election would be inflation price rise, meaning inflation and price rise, and the second concern which is occupying most people's mind is corruption. And therefore I think even on that, among the various variables that you've given as alternatives to the survey respondents, I think they have really touched the pulse of the nation in that price rise and inflation, and secondly corruption, are going to dominate as the 2 very important issues which will influence decision making as regards the forthcoming election.